Bye. Deep, would you like to share something? Um, the what is something that you did different than other people? And I feel like you will be the youngest person who match. So definitely your experience do matters too.
First of all, I'm extremely thankful to all my peers and mentors, especially Urvish, for like your constant guidance, support, encouragement throughout my process. Like even before I started applying, I was like doing research projects with Urvish and his team. So that was something that was really helpful and helped me build a well-rounded profile in addition to clinical experience. And the other thing that the one thing that I would like to say is IMGs are usually afraid of reaching out to people asking for guidance and even help. So I would say that people should reach out to experts in experts in the field. Like if you want research, you can reach out to research update. If you want to if you want to improve your clinical experience, you should reach out to those companies that provide clinical experience. Reach out to doctors, reach out to all your relatives, any one of your friends who is practicing here. So they are the ones who have been through the process, and they are the ones who can guide you in the correct manner. And yeah, if you reach out to the people, people never say no. That is what I've observed in the US.
Mhm.
So uh, so that is one thing that I would say, that
We
build a
remember
well-rounded.
multiple time you just keep texting and emailing to the people until they are not telling you no.
Yes. So that is one thing that I would really ask every IMG to follow. Like just reach out to people. There are people who are ready to help, and just stay focused, work hard. And I'm sure everybody who has taken the USMLE route is obviously a hard worker, and definitely that person will succeed.
Right. So my basic one question to you is, you have now experience of Masters of Science Clinical Research MSCR, right? And now you also have the experience of a clinical research training program, which is a traditional 6-month program. So what is the difference between MSCR and clinical research training program? So by the way, the people who don't know, Deep had Masters of Science Clinical Research 2 year of program at Icahn School of Medicine, Mount Sinai, and he's also working with us in clinical research training program too. So how can you differentiate two programs, especially in terms of research experience and contact making?
That is actually a wonderful question that you got up, that you got in the picture. So I would say that the course that I'm currently enrolled in definitely allows me to gain a deeper understanding into research and what it entails, and also build contacts. But the clinical research training program, the 6 months course that Urvish just mentioned, that course really teaches you how to carry on research, and not only research but do your own analysis, come up with a good hypothesis, as well as publish. So that publishing part, uh, so the art, that is actually an art of publishing papers. So that is something that was missing in my the 2 year course that I was doing, and that is the experience that the 6 months clinical research training program by Dr. Urvish provides. So I highly encourage everybody to do that course, even if it is uh, just for the sake of learning research, because that will help you publish, and it will help you not only in your residency but also for your fellowship. So that is one thing that I really encourage everybody to take up.
I think you are ready for preparing your fellowship application.
Yep, Deep is all set.
So
Hope for the best. Yes.
awesome. So I think it looks like from today onwards, he's gonna start working on his fellowship application.
Yep. He'll be like, I need all GI.
Hopefully you will also match in. I know you will. He's very hardworking. He's gonna match in
Oh, yeah.
you. So probably, yep, that's great. Thank you.
Thank you so much again.